Your TV is usually off or showing menus, but what if it could feel like a real window? A calm view, moving scenery. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your TV into a virtual window and completely change the vibe of your room. So let's get started. First, open Play Store on your TV. Go to search bar and search Window TV. Install Window TV app. Open Window TV app. You can control and change outside view and on-off window. Use this button on your TV remote. And that's it. Now your TV works like a virtual window, relaxing, aesthetic, and perfect for any space. If you like this idea, hit like, subscribe for more smart TV tips. Thanks for watching.